Hello guys, welcome. This is your host Sai, and welcome to our live channel during this carton fair. So today I'm going to bring you guys this whole. Compared to other set, it is a small set, right? So it's our forged set. So this is our fry pan, as usual, saucepan, small casseroles, one deep fry pan, and one wok. Okay, so it's a little set, just 9 pieces, but you can see it's very beautiful, right? You can see the outside is whole covered with very fresh red, and you can see this red is metallic coatings. Okay, so it's very shiny. It can refresh the sparkles and the shine. The sunshines. I love the red a lot, and you can see we are using the red spare parts to cover this also compared to this red coating, but we are using the the mirror metal knob here, so makes this set whole very beautiful. So I'm going to tell you what sizes and what finishes each piece as usual. So let's just begin, okay? Now you are looking at the 28 centimeters fry pan. This pan is forged pans. In this shape, we have 5 sizes, from 20 to 30. Only the 22 is we don't have. So this one is 28, and the height is 5.5 centimeters. The height is quite well. So as you can see, the inside we are using the black two layers black nonstick coatings. So if you want to change into the other brands like the Teflon, Elac, Grablons, other famous brands, we can use it. So if you want to change it into brown colors or the other colors, we can also use it. But despite this PDFE coating, we can also use the ceramic coating and marble or even the granite. Okay, so as you can see, this coating, there's a rivet here to rivet. So we also coat it with our nonstick coating, so very easy to clean. Okay, so let's see the outside. The outside color is metallic red, so it's very shiny and not like this watch. If you can see it, this watch, I like red a lot. This watch is a matte red, but this one is red metallic, so it's sparkle. It's very shiny. If you want other metallic coatings or even this matte coatings, we can change it for you. And don't worry about the food safety here, so we can pass all the LFGB, FDA, DGCCRF, all these kind of tests, so don't worry. Now let's see the handles. This handle is 24 centimeters, so it will hand the pans very well, and it is made of bakelite. So bakelite is black, but this one we covered with matte red and silicone cover, so it have the soft touch and very smooth in the surface, very nice. And you can see it is a special design, so we can hold the handle very comfortable and very durable. With this angle, we can lift this pan very easily. Now you can notice there is a flame guard here. Also, this flame guard is painted with red, as same as color with the handle, so it makes this one whole piece. The handles, if you don't like this design, we can change into other shapes or other materials. If you want the stainless steels or even the carbon steel ones, maybe the real wood ones, we can all use it. Okay, so let us see the bottom. Now you can see it's a very big bottom surface covered with an induction plate. So that means we can use it on all of cooktops. If you would want it with CD bottoms or circles around, we can use it. If you want to use CD buttons or circles around, we can use it. And if you want some logos here, we can also put your logos, stamp, or the laser logos or your slogans in the middle of the bottoms. Also, we can put all your logos in the, the bodies, or even doing some silk print on the handle part. So this one is quite nice and with 4 sizes. Here's our saucepan, 20 centimeters, and this height is 9.0 centimeters, so the capacity is quite good as a 21. We have 3 sizes of this one, 16, 18, and 20, so regular sizes. You can see the inside coating is always a non-stick coatings, 2 layers with black color. So if you want to change into the other brand or other colors, we can do it for you. Just name the brand name like Iraq, Teflon, Grablons, Daikins from Japan. Maybe you heard of that before. And if you want to use it as a ceramic or marbles, we can also use it, even the granite. So inside and outside, we can do also the hard anodized for you guys. So, okay, so let's see the outside. It is metallic blue. You can see it's very sparkle and shiny here, so very nice one. So if you want to change it into silver or other colors, you don't like the metallic ones, you just need it matte, that's all right. We can do that for you. So, and don't worry about food safety. We can do really pass all the RFGB, like the FDA and the DGCCRF, even this kind of test, don't worry. So let's see the spare parts for a moment. This handle is also same color, red color as outside coating, only it is matte blue, matte red. So as I can tell you, this backlight handle has a human engineering design. There is a hole here for your thumb, and there are 3 holes for your other fingers. It's very nice, very comfortable to hold. And this one, if you don't like it, we can change it into the stainless one. And you can see we also do some paintings on the flame guard. I don't know if you guys can see it very clearly. So let's see the lid. This lid, we are using a very regular lid, just the tempered glass lid. And this rim is stainless steel rim, but if you want, we can do it as this same color as this, the backlight handles, because it is with silicone rim, so we can do a red silicone rim all over around. And you can see we are using the stainless steel knob here. It's like a mirror. You can shine your face over this knob. And why we're using it? Because it is the same color as these sparkle pieces in the tail of the handles, so makes it more beautiful. Okay, so if you want a flat lid, we can also use a flat lid. All right, now let's see the bottoms. You can see we are using whole pieces of induction button. There's no logos here, but if you want using your logos, your own brand name or your slogans in the bottom, we can use a stamped logo here, or just use the laser logos here or on the bodies. But I don't think you want to damage these beautiful coatings here. So after that, you can also use the silk print logos on the glass lid or on the, this backlight handles. So all can be customized. Now here comes our casserole. This one is our 20 centimeters casseroles. We have 3 sizes of this casserole for your options: 16, 18, and 20. Okay, so you can see the inside coating. We are using the PTFE 2 layers non-stick coatings, but if you want to change into ceramic or marbles or granite, whatever coating brand you want, you can just let us know. We can make it for you, like the E-Rag, the Teflon, the Grablon, Whitford. We can even do the hard anodized inside and outside. And you can see the outside color, we are using the metallic blue, but if you want it purple, green, whatever color you need, we can make it for you. So the spare parts, these 2 ears, we are using the backlight ears with red silicone covers. So if you want to change the stainless steel ones or the backlight ones with other shapes, we can replace them for your choices. Let's see the bottoms. The bottoms is covered with induction bottom, so can use for all tops. But if you don't need it, we can just use the CD bottoms, and we can put your logos in the middle of the circles, embossed logo, laser logo, and even the silk print logo on the glass lid, on the the ears. So if you want to change the knob and the lid, you can see it's a regular lid, but we can change it into the flat lid with even the silicone rims. So everything can be customized with this saucepan. Okay, so you can see it's a whole pieces. Now we bring you our wok. This wok is 28 centimeters with 8.5 height, so it's a very regular wok, I should say. I mean, the size is regular, but we have 2 sizes of this one. We have the 28 and the 30, so 2 options for you. So inside coating, we are using the non-stick coating, black PTFE. So if you want, we can change it into ceramic, marble, or granite. So all brands can be used, like Whitford, E-Rag, Grablons. We have all the licenses. So if you want to use it hard anodized, that should be no problems. We have the facilities and the equipment. And you don't have to worry about any food safety here. We can pass all the LFGB, the FDA, the DGCCRF, all approved, so don't worry about these things. We have nearly 40 years experience of making non-stick cookware. So you can see the spare parts is backlight, and if you don't like it, we can change it into your requirements. This one is just with the red silicone cover, so with soft touch, very smooth. But if you want the stainless steel ones or the carbon steel ones, we can also replace them for you. Also the lid and the knob. This lid is using the regular glass tempered glass lid, but if you want a flat lid with silicone rims, we can also do it for you. Actually, we have this set for you guys, so don't leave our showrooms, all right? So let's see the bottoms. You can see the bottoms have the dot induction plate, so it can use all oven cooktops. And if you want to put your logos here, that should be no problems. And you can also put your laser logos on the bodies or your silk print logos on the handles or even on the glass lid. That should be all your choices. This one is our deep fry pan, and 28 centimeters with 7.5 height. We have two sizes of this deep fry pan. One is 26 with 7.0 height. This one is 28. So leaves you two options. So inside coating, non-stick coating, black PTFE 2 layers. We can change it into ceramic, marbles, or whatever brand the coating brand you need. And outside coating, we are using the red metallic high temperature coatings. So if you want, we can also use the marble or ceramic, granite, even the enamel coatings for you. It all depends on what you need. So even we can use the hard anodized inside or outside. And don't worry about the food safety here. We have nearly 40 years of experience to making non-stick cookware, so we can pass all the FDA, LFGB, DGCCRF, these tests, so don't worry. Let's see the spare parts. We can see this deep fry pan is with lid. If you don't want it, you just lose it. And you can see there's backlight handles here. It's red, covered with red silicone cover, and it's soft touch, very smooth. And this knob, we just use a stainless steel one to make like just this shiny piece in the tail of the handles. So, but if you don't like it, you can change into the other handles and knob. Make it the stainless steel ones or the carbon steel ones, whatever you need. And even the lid, we can use the flat lid with the silicone rim, okay? So, okay, let's see the bottoms. The bottoms is quite big, and it is covered with dot induction button suitable for all cooktops. If you don't need it, we can use the CD buttons. Anyway, we can put these logos, your logos here, embossed logos or laser logos in the middle or on the bodies, even the silk print logos on the handles, or just your slogans on the glass lid. So guys, after all this introducing of this set, I think you all know this very well. So you may know this set, and each individual items can be customized from the handles, the spare parts, the lid, and the coatings, both inside, outside, even our bottoms, and we can put your logos almost everywhere. So you can make one items or the whole set just as your imagination, right? So I'm going to do some recommendations as a set for your reference. So if you want a small set, maybe we just start with a 20, 24 and 28 centimeters fry pan, like 3 pieces. If you want a regular one set, maybe we start with a 24 fry pan, 20 saucepan, and 28, maybe the 24 casserole should be enough. So if you need a big one, maybe we add some wok, and maybe you can use a deep fry pan instead of the fry pan, okay? So it depends on what your market need. So after you got this set, you will decide what packages you're gonna need. So if you are doing business on the e-shop or the online or TV shoppings, you will need the mailbox or the brown box, maybe the color box. It's necessary. So if you're just doing the business on the shopping malls, supermarket, or the retail stores, maybe you just need the tea box or even the color sleeve. Color label should work. But don't worry, all our packages are degradable, all right? So after all these shows, I'm trying to tell you all the elements can be combined together, or all of them can be replaced. Just to put all your want inquiries together, we will get what you need in cookware. So it's all our slogan and idea from cookings. I don't want to tell you much more about history, how great we are, how professional we did in cookwares, because the next shows will show you. But I'm trying to tell you, find our cooking, find us cookware solutions, especially the aluminum cookware. All right, so thanks guys for watching, and if you want to know more about this set, or you want to search for other carbon steels or other shapes, maybe you just stay in our live showroom or contact us right now. Thank you. Don't leave. We will back to you a moment later. Thank you.